Hey gang, Poppy here. I was going to record this last night, but by the time the mailman came by, I'd been up all day. I figured, hey, tomorrow's Daddy's Day. Perfect time. Hey, celebrate Daddy's Day by showing you something I bought and which arrived. It's sort of an unboxing, but I'm not going to show you opening the box. I'm going to show you what's in the box. First of all, the seller included his card. Now, for you young people, you think that's really rare. It used to be you always got a business card. You write a letter asking a question, you'd get a business card, a catalog, a price list, a repair manual, and a nice little note saying, we would enjoy your business. And people mount the cards on this special card that went in this steel box with two knobs and a opening like Buzz Lightyear's helmet. And the cards would flip by, and it's called a Rolodex. And the secretary would pick up the phone and actually it was hello, gracious good afternoon. This is Miss Reed. Yeah. Anyway, and along with it came, hey gang, I'm back. Computer froze up, so I stopped the UCam, recording program, and restarted it. I guess showing it that CD overdid its graphics capabilities. What I ordered, these 50 pieces diamond 600 grit. And since I was looking for sintered, now I was wanting to be disappointed when I first saw them. They didn't look sintered. But then I looked closer, and I do believe they are sintered. And although it looks like there's 4 of one size, they're actually different thicknesses. And the 4 of the other, the next size down, they're different thicknesses. And the next 6, the first one is dished on the periphery, and the rest are different thicknesses. You get to 2, the last 2, and they're convex on the periphery and different thicknesses. And of course, we got burl burrs, ball points. I'm sorry. They're not burrs, they're points. And here we got some cylinders, a V-slitter, buds, some call them flame, cone, truncated cone, reverse cone, concave in reverse cone, reverse cone, reverse cone, reverse cone, reverse cone, reverse cone, point, 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 point. And when I say point, I mean very sharp pointed burr. Neighborhood of $35. Yeah. I'm liking these diamond points I got from Jade Carver a whole lot more than I thought I would looking at them on the computer screen. And I also saw that he carries a couple of diamond tools that I would need to do my radius edge adjustable parallels. If I ever get back to making my radius edge adjustable parallels, Jade Carver goes, I don't know what that was. The computer just stopped doing it, and I got the logo of death on the UCAM display of what it was recording. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm liking these burrs much more holding them in my hands than I thought I would looking at them on the computer screen. And Jade Carver going to get more of my money because I got some things I want to do where he has the diamond cutting tool. I need to do it. The radius edged adjustable parallels. I've never been able to find any, although Brown and Sharp used to make them. I came, in my mind, cost 3 different ways of machining them. And this guy has the tools for first, foremost, and most possible to succeed. That's important. Success is important. Anyway, good night from California. Next video, I'm back out in the shop and I'm going to be mangling all kinds of hardware, getting ready for Opal Carbine. Good night from California.